guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. You want to buy some black hair? Oh my God. So just take all these little gems and tips. Okay, now let's talk about it. Put your comments in here. Hello everyone. Hello. Notary Down South. S. Abdul. What's up? Go ahead and drop your questions, guys, because we're going to be getting to our appointment soon.
Like 6 minutes.
Yeah, it says 6 minutes, but I can talk at least another 15. We'll pull over somewhere. Because we're early, right? Pull over like 5 minutes, Joe. Somewhere. Okay, let's talk about it really quick. So can you do this business without a printer? The answer is going to be yes, you can. Now, let me tell you really quick how to do it without a printer. Because you do eventually need a printer, okay? I'm not going to lie. We had somebody in mentorship last night. She was asked to print documents for divorce signing. That's not even loan signing. That's general public work, general notary work. And they asked her, could she print the document? So fortunately, she had a printer. She said that was her first request. And I get requests all the time. People don't have all this equipment at home. Would you have a dual tray printer if you wasn't doing loan signing? Probably not, right? So most people don't have this type of equipment at home. So if it's started, you don't. So let me tell you how you can do the business with your general notary work. That's getting your Google page up so people can find you. It may be running ads for a short period of time just so you can get your name out there, but really hit those nursing homes and state packages. You do not need any special certification. You do need to know what you're doing, and you do need to be trained on estate packages. There's no way around that. So for estate packages, and don't let nobody tell you, well, it's just like any other paper. It's not. It's a little bit more involved. You do need to know how to speak the language in order to get paid like the money that we talk about. I do have an estate/trust course. It is on sale. We're going to use coupon code Friday. I'm using that all this week if I remember. So hopefully you remember. Coupon code Friday is 70% off all their courses, not the membership, okay? 70% off all the courses, and that's the estate/trust included, apostille, so we're 70% off. I would take advantage of that. He just ran the light. He
almost got hit. That almost.
Oh, he wasn't paying attention. Oh man. And the police got him. The police saw him do it. Oh my God. Sorry, y'all. Dang. And the police saw him do it. They never see you do stuff like the police saw him. They got him. Nobody got hit. Thank God. Oh, he just wasn't paying attention. Yep, they got him. We are in the heart of Snellville right now, and they do not play down here, guys. They got cops everywhere all the time. I'm so glad he didn't get hit. Dog. Because the truck, so one was going straight through the light. The other man was getting ready to go straight the opposite way. One was in a big truck. They both had trucks, but one was in like a steel work truck. So, God, I'm so glad they didn't get hit. He is about to get a ticket, though. I can guarantee you that. Dog, left really quick. Woo! Okay. So, anyway, we have a question. You gonna turn for a minute?
I'm gonna run to Target real quick.
Oh, okay.
Because it's back there on the road.
Okay. Why you gotta go to Target? Okay. Oh, you go to Dollar Tree. It'd be cheaper.
Oh, where is it?
Down here too.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we have a question. S. Thompson says, do you charge to print docs? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So we talked about that last night. Even if you charge $5, I always ask how many pages they need. Say, well, it's coming up right here, Joe. Slow down. You may say, well, Kimmy, why are you charging them $3 to $5 a print when they can go right over to Office Depot for $1? And I don't even think it's $1 over there now. Yes, it might be more. But you're saving them time, you're saving their energy, you're saving them on gas, right? And you got to use your toner, your printer, you got to use all of your resources to print. Be careful out here, guys. It's a lot. People just driving crazy or distracted. It's just a lot going on. Anyway, so yeah, so that's why you charge. So like I said, I asked how many pages do they need printed. And I don't try to rake them over the coals. Convenience, yes, S. Abdul. That's another reason. Convenience. So yes, we do charge for printing. So I do charge a print fee for my general notary people if they ask me to print their documents. We're not charging a print fee to the loan signing company. That's typically included in the package, okay? I have to be clear. That's typically included in the package. So we're not charging them an additional fee. I don't want you to get in trouble. I know it's a whole lot of chatter out there about loan signing right now and how they are conducting their business. But either, again, we're going to play in a ball game or we not. Nobody's telling you have to become a loan signing agent. Nobody's telling you got to print these documents. Now, only time I will go back to a loan signing company and ask for more money is if it's like an extremely large package. If it's anything like over, let's say 150, 160, you start getting up to 200, yeah, I'm going to ask for an additional fee because that's a larger package to me. Now, some people say, well, Kim, package ream of paper is only $5, $7. It doesn't change that much. Nah, I got to use more toner. I have to use more ink. So I'm about my business, right? Again, I'm not always trying to nickel and dime. I'm not trying to gouge. But yeah, if it's a whole big old 500-page package, yeah, I'm probably charging more, okay? So you really have to look at the relationship. Are you willing to lose the relationship over a few dollars? Is it even worth it? You know, so I look at all of that before that's why I don't ever give you just a general blanket. Yes, you better charge more. Yes, you better do this. That's what people want me to do. And I'm not going to do it, even when it comes to pricing. You need to tell me exactly how much to charge in the pricing book. Somebody said, oh, it's an amazing book. The pricing book, if you've not seen it. They like, oh, it's such an amazing book. It's such an amazing book. But I don't tell exactly how much to charge. I can't because you got to ask your screening questions. There's so many variables. So I don't want to tell you to charge everybody $50, and it may be something for one document. You don't have to charge $50. You know, it's so many variables. I just cannot tell you. So before I forget again, coupon code is Friday. 70% off all of the courses, including the Apostille course, loan signing, field inspection, wedding officiant, all of your major courses that you need. Notarize like a pro. Coupon code is Friday if you're watching this video, catching the replay, or on the podcast, okay? Friday, Friday. Today is not Friday, but that is the code. And join them for the emails too, okay? Join them for the emails. Because that way you can get discounts. We have special discounts in the emails. And the tips are amazing, guys. The tips that we get in the emails, that we give y'all in the emails, don't sleep on them, honey. If you really want your business to grow, and open the emails. If you're on the email list, sign up at notaryeducators.com. You can buy the courses over there. Notaryeducators.com. Everything is over there. Notaryeducators.com. Check the description box. Now, see, this person driving so fast, he's on his cell phone and just walking. Be careful out here. Even when you walking, try not to be on your phone. I got a bad habit of that. And Jeffrey will get me every time. So try not to be on your phone. This lady looks so pretty in her pink, y'all. I'm going to show y'all from the back. Hold on. Don't she look pretty? She got on pink earrings. I love her jacket. Yeah, and her poof, y'all, too. She got a beautiful poof. I think her poof is real. This poof is not real, y'all. I don't know if y'all knew that, but this poof is not real. Her poof was real. All right, Jeffrey is back. Once we get to the house, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to go ahead and talk till we get back to the house. Yeah. All right. So let's see. What do we have? Faye. Hey, Faye, how are you? So many great advice on the pricing. You're welcome. Yeah, check out the pricing book and the pricing course, whichever you prefer. There's an actual pricing book that goes over all the different pricing services, ink fingerprinting, field inspection, how to handle when they don't want to pay you. It covers everything. That little boy need to wipe his face. He got like toothpaste all over it. At least it brushed his teeth, huh? Oh, his pants are sharp. You saw his blue jeans? So anyway, yeah, right? I love this little poop. Jeff do too. Thank you, S. Thompson. Is the info the same? Well, you know, the book is going to be different than the live training. So you got to, S. Thompson, aren't you in mentorship? If you are, there's a pricing course. But anytime I'm talking something, it's going to be a little different than reading it. But yes, the information is the same. Yeah, I thought you was in mentorship. Yeah. So all you got to do is go to the pricing course, okay? Go to the pricing course. If someone's not in mentorship, they can get the book. Yeah, you don't need the book if you're in the course. You don't. Hey, Chris Blaze, what's up? What's up? Yeah, you don't need the book and the course. I need to be drinking this smoothie because. Okay. So we have 5 more minutes on the questions. Let's go. 5 minutes, y'all. Because we get ready to pull up to the signing. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you do not need a printer to start this business. Also, I want to talk about, you can do field inspections, guys, when it comes to starting a business without a printer. You can learn all your notarial duties, right? Learn all your notarial duties. Learn how to be a great notary, how to notarize like a pro. And then while you're waiting to start loan signing, if that is your ultimate goal, general notary work, and then you can be doing field inspections. Our crew is killing the field inspection game, okay? Our notary mentorship people are killing the field inspection game. Our whole session last night, in case you're not in mentorship, it was about field inspections, and we got a lot of gems and tips and companies to sign up with. Actually, one of those, Jeffrey, I wanted to sign up with that VS something. I don't remember what it was, guys, so don't ask me. You need to be in mentorship. You're missing gems over there, but it's even one that I'm going to sign up with. And I think she said she got it from my list, because I provide a list in the course. In the field inspection course, I actually provide a list of companies for you to sign up with. Everything we do, guys, we give it to you from A to Z. So you'll never have to wonder or walk away saying, well, who should I sign up with? What should I do? Long signing course comes with people you should sign up with. Our top recommendations. I think I mentioned there's a wedding officiant course too. So again, you can use coupon code Friday for 70% off. I probably will run that through the end of the year. So if I remember, I'm going to say it. If you're blessed to get it on this live here, go ahead and do it. Because it's, of course, subject to change. So right now, we're going to let that coupon code stick. I remembered it yesterday, too. Okay. Coupon code Friday for 70% off. And field inspection. So that's another thing you could be doing without having a printer. Okay, because you don't need a printer to do field inspections. You do not need a printer to do ink fingerprinting. You do not need a printer to